Welcome back everyone. In this video we will explain data entry shortcut keys. These are very essential shortcut keys when you are entering data in MS Excel. So let's start to explain these shortcut keys. The first shortcut key is enter. It means that it will enter and move us down. For example, you are writing something here, so whenever you press enter button, so it will enter and move you down like this. So control plus enter, this is used to enter and remain on the same cell. It means that before we press enter, so we move down, but if you want to remain, it means that you press enter and also remain on the same cell. So then let's press control plus enter. We will be on the same cell. We will now not move down or right or left or up, but the enter will be pressed. Shift enter. Next shortcut key is shift enter, which is used to enter and move up. Let's, for example, you are writing something, shift plus enter, so it will move us up. Also, first of all, it will enter, then it will move us up. So this was the usage of shift plus enter. Now let's move to the tab shortcut key, which is used to enter and move right. Like tab, it will enter and also move us to the right side. But shift plus tab, this shortcut key is used to move us to the left. Let's try something. Shift tab, move us. Also, first of all, it will enter, then it will move us to the left side. Delete it. Control plus enter. Now this shortcut key is used to enter same data in all selected cells. For example, you have selected these cells and you want to write something like happy, and whenever you press control plus enter, so it will fill all these cells with the same text. Control plus enter, look at all cells has been filled with the same text. This was the usage of control plus enter. Before here we explained to move up. I think that was to remain the same cell, but whenever you select the cell, so it will enter, fill the same text, the cell with the same text. Now let's move to the alt plus down arrow key, which is used to display autocomplete list. Alt plus down arrow key is used to display as the drop down list. For example, if you have drop down, so it will show you. Right now we don't have any drop down list, but it will show us the list which we entered in the same column. So let's enter through 2 or 3 names. Like this. Now whenever we press control alt plus down arrow key, so it will display us all these names. Alt plus down arrow key, look at which one you want to enter, like this one, so it will enter that easily. This was the usage of alt plus down arrow key. Now let's move to the control plus D, which is used to fill right side. Control plus D is used to fill down. It means, like, for example, and you selected these, it will fill down cells that you have selected. Press control plus D, look at, so it will just fill these down cells that you were selected. And control plus R is used to fill the right side cells, like this. Control plus R, so it will fill the right side cells. Control plus semicolon is used to insert the date, the current date. Control plus semicolon, current date, and control plus shift plus semicolon with the current time. Look at, it will insert the current time. And alt plus enter is used to start a new line in the same cell. For example, sometimes you are writing text and you want to take a new line. If you press enter, so it will move you down. But if you want to take a new line in the same cell, so then press alt plus enter. Look at, we are the new line now. So alt plus enter is used to take a new line. And escape button is used to cancel your entry. For example, you are entering something here and you want to cancel this, press escape button, so it will cancel that entry. So these were all about the data entry shortcut keys that we explained in MS Excel. So if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.